How to book cheap flights on Google Flights. Step 1. Open an internet browser. Step 2. Search for Google Flights. Step 3. Click on the topmost link. Step 4. Enter the airport or the city you want to depart from and arrive at in the Google Flights search. For example, San Francisco to Delhi. Step 5. You can also choose from the popular destinations listed right below the search bar or by clicking on the world map given right beside it. Step 6. Choose the type of ticket you want. Round trip, one way, multi-city. Step 7. Choose the number of passengers. Adults, children, 212. Infants, in seat. Infants, on lap. Step 8. Choose the flight class. Economy, premium economy, business class, first. Step 9. Click on the calendar to choose your flight dates. Upon opening the calendar, you'll see Google airfares for each day of the month you choose. These Google flight prices get updated once every 24 hours. Step 10. Press Done. Step 11. Once you do, you'll be directed to a page with flight options that you can choose from. You can filter your results by clicking on the stops, airlines, bags, price, time, connecting airports, duration, separate tickets, etc. Step 12. Choose your preferred departing flight. Step 13. Choose your preferred returning flight. Step 14. This will be your itinerary. Step 15. Google will then offer certain booking options that you can consider purchasing your Google flight tickets from. This is because Google Flights isn't an online travel agency but only a meta search engine. It links the customers to either airlines or OTAs for the purchase. Step 16. When you click to book through any of the options, either airlines or travel agencies, you'll be taken to the checkout page where you'll have to enter passenger and payment information. Step 17. And it's a win. You'll have your flight ticket booked. While the process is done, don't forget to get in touch with the airline or the travel agency to confirm your booking, to make any changes, or to resolve any queries. Hope this helps.